welcome to another video. Today's video we are going to be going through our Boxycharm. I just got this in the mail. It's completely sealed, so no cheating and no peeking. This is for the month of July, so let's go ahead and get started. So like I said, this is for the month of July, and we are gonna go ahead and dive right in. I am really hoping to get the setting spray because I know I saw some spoilers and there's like a palette and a setting spray. I'm really hoping I get the little box with the setting spray. I really don't want the palette. I kind of have a lot of palettes that are similar to the one that they are putting in this month's box. So changuitos, hopefully I get the setting spray. But okay, here we go. Here we go. Okay, so this is what the box looks like, and like always, I love this card. It's a little pamphlet, and it tells you all the information, and it has the pictures of the items that you're getting in the box. But I'm gonna set this aside because I don't want to peek or cheat. And let me just take out this foam. I'm not gonna be looking. I hope this stuff doesn't fall. Okay, here we go. So I'm gonna start off. Ah, gosh darn it. Okay, well I got the palette. So that is the first thing that is in this box. Let me see what this palette is about. I just didn't want the palette because I already have so many palettes that are similar to this. I know that this palette is a neutral palette. Oh, it's very nice. Okay, so it comes in a little sleeve, and this is a Crown Pro palette. And this is what it looks like. Oh my God, it's really pretty. It's so pretty. I was really hoping for the setting spray, but anyhow, it's very nice, and it has a bunch of shimmeries, neutrals, and oh my God, the shade is very pretty. I like it. It's nice. Okay, well that's the first item in the box. So it is this very nice palette that I didn't want. Okay, anyhow, moving along. Oh, really quick, let me tell you how much this palette is worth, because if you don't know, Boxycharm is only $21 a month, and we get like 5 to 6 full-size items, and the box is always over $100. So it's always over $100 in value. That's how much these prices range up to in retail. So this little palette, according to this, it retails for $29. So this palette yet alone already pretty much paid off for the box, because we only paid 21 bucks, and this alone already cost 29. So that is a really good deal. So I'm gonna set that little palette aside. Okay, so moving along, the next item that we got in this box is this right here, and this is a squeezy tube of it's a Dr. Brandt, Needles No More, No More Baggage. It's an ID puffing gel. So, I don't know. Oh, wow, it's really orange. Do you guys see that? It matches that eyeshadow. Okay, so it's something for the under eye, and it doesn't smell like anything, but it does have that little orange color, and I guess that's like to correct the under eye, like the blue circles and your purple little veins and all of that. So this is a depuffing gel from Dr. Brandt, and this is expensive. This is $42. That's how much this retails for. So that was the next item that we got in this box. And then we got this little box right here, and this is by the brand. I've never heard of it, but it's called the brand Note, and this is a Luminous Silk Compact Blusher, and oh, it's cute. The compact's really cute, and I like this color. It's very pretty. So it's very peachy, and it looks like it's a matte. Oh my God, we're getting so many orangey shades. I like it. It's really nice. I like it. I should try it. Let me try it a little bit, because I love me some blush. It is kind of powdery. Oh my God, what if I put too much? Well, it added some color. I really like this color. So this Note blush retails for $11.99, and this was the other item that we got in this month's box. I really like this. I'm feeling this blush. So far, so good. The next thing we got is this Chella Tantalizing Taupe Eyebrow Cream. Oh, okay, this way. Well, it has a little brush at one end. Ah! I'm dropping shit. Give me a second. Okay. And at the other end, it has like something in there. So I guess you dip the product in there or what? How does this thing even work? Let me see. I don't know if I would use this because I use the Anastasia Dip Brow for my eyebrows. Oh, but I don't know. That's what it kind of looks like. So that's the color right there. And this is very interesting. I'll tell you that much. I don't know about this little brush though. So this is for the eyebrows, and this retails for $26. What? I wouldn't pay $26 for this. No. Okay, anyhow, moving along, the next item that we got is this right here. And this to me looks like a lip gloss, but it's not. It's a Wander Beauty Unlashed Volume Curl Mascara. The packaging is interesting. Doesn't smell like anything. I don't know, I'm so weird. I have to smell my stuff. I don't know, for some reason, I just do. Who is calling me? I'm trying to film here. Gosh. Hold on a second, guys. Anyhow, nobody important. Okay, so we got this mascara here, and I really like the wand of it. It's curled, and this is a mascara that I think I would definitely like. Let me see. Yes, I like this. I really like this wand. The packaging is completely different, but I love Boxycharm because they always hook it up with mascaras. Like right when I'm about to run out, boom, they send you another one. So perfect. I really like this. And this retails for $24. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the box. I would say that this box was okay. I wouldn't say it was my favorite because I absolutely love Boxycharm, but it was an okay box. I am really feeling the blush and I'm really feeling the mascara. So these two stood out for me in this month's box. We got the little palette, and we also got the little eyebrow thing. I don't know about this Dr. Brandt under eye depuffing gel for the under eye. I don't know, but I'm really feeling these two items the most, and it's good because we only paid $21 a month. So yeah, that's just how I feel for this month's box. I feel that it was an okay box. I still do really love Boxycharm. They always hook it up. We get our money's worth. It's always over $100. So yeah, you guys, I also wanted to let you guys know I am going to be putting my little referral link at the bottom. I don't get money off of it, of course not, but I do get free makeup. So if you sign up with my link, I get free makeup and you will get free makeup too. So somebody used my little link in the month of June, and due to that, I was able to get free Cover FX enhancer drops. I got an email that I was going to be getting this because somebody used my link. So shout out to you, whoever used my link. We both get free makeup. So yeah, you guys, this pretty much wraps up this video. I hope that you guys liked it. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you aren't already. And I will see you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.